Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and NINZA Pro Traders. It's Thursday, July 28th. It's about 7:30 Central Standard Time, just a minute before waiting weekless jobless claims numbers here at 7:30, and we also have the international trade goods here at 7:30. And then just 9:30 we got natural gas, and then Kansas City Fed manufacturing at 9 as well. And then of course we have the auction notes around noon. This is all Central Standard Time. So other than that, we're going to get started. Let me clear a screen here. Good. Let's look what we can do for today. Last night we had open at 64.75, and then it kind of just consolidated, continued its up move up to our overnight highs of 68.50, and then looks like around what time was that? 2:30 this morning, 2:45, dropped straight down, all the way back down to a market profile here at 56 and resistance right in here, and then we've just started slowly coming back up. Currently at 59.75 and waiting for the news. And right here, it looks like the market might want to go right back up, but we'll wait the news as it comes in and says what see what we want to do. Now let's see if we're going to continue to the upside right here. We'll just continue this. If it goes right on up in here, look for it to come up here, retest this VWAP at 2163 area as it climbs up. Look for it to meet fib resistance here, somewhere up in here around the 6250 area. And there it needs to break this area and then go right back up. It'll go up to the opening at 64.75 last night. Look for it to come back down here and retest wherever this 24-hour VWAP is. Take a bounce off of it. And if we are truly upside, come right back up, and we're going to test this 68.50 fairly early this morning, depending on the news. Now, should this news fail this morning, and we don't like it, it's going to stop right up in here, turn around. We're going to head down here and test this 56 again. Probably come back and hit this 58. Maybe we might even consolidate here in the morning, this morning before it opens. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Now, however, if it comes down to this area, look for the test here at 56. If it fails it, look for the next move down, 53 area, down into this zone just below it. And let me slide this up. Sorry about that. And there we go, right there. Look for this zone right here. Bleed into the bottom of this zone. Got some pretty strong support here at 53.75. Good place for reversal and get this market to going back in the right direction to the upside. Now, however, again, if we move down into the zone, come back to retest this 53. If it fails, just look out below because we're going to be heading right down. We'll talk about some market profile numbers here in just a second, but look for the next zone down at 44, and of course down into this 39 area, then followed by the 34 area. So be cautious of this, all right? And then I would say this would be a good point of reversal here today at the 53 area, and then look for it to roll right back up just as we talked about. Testing this area again, maybe blowing right through, but probably pulling right back into 55 area and then driving up into this zone and probably up to around the 61 area. Then look for a pullback to somewhere in the zone, probably around the 59 area, and then look for the drive to the open, and then straight up into the here at 68.50. Now, if we can reach that 68.50 and this market will continue to the upside, look for it to come back again, test this open range here at 64, 65, and then bounce and go straight up. It should come clear through here at about the 70 area. Look for it to come back and retest here again, the bottom of the zone. Wait for the pullback to go long. First target 75, and again 77 Fibonacci extensions, and look for it to come back and test. This is a possible areas of consolidation up in this zone up in here today. But if we can get pulled back and get a good push off of this, we'll be going up to the 83 area. Again, pulling back probably down to retest this again. A lot of volatility up in this area to let it go through. If we can get back up to the zone a second time and get through it, look for this thing to trade through at about 88.50, pull back and test this. And if we're really staying strong, look for this next move up to the 94. Not likely today, but we'll keep an eye on it. High today, probably around the 83 area. Look for some reversal, profit taking for the day right in this area. Now let's jump over to market profile this morning. Our 4-hour chart right here. Let's look at the daily first. As you can see, we broke that 127 extension yesterday and we're pulling right back down into it again. So we need to be real cautious in this area. That's why I'm saying looking for this bounce right in here at this green line, just about the 59 area where we're at right now. We need this bounce right here to push back up and clear this 5803 to drive us back up at least to the high of 67 today. So swing term traders, wait for us to close back above the 60 level. Wait for us to close back above the 60 level. Go long. wait for 67 for profits, 77 for profits, and then possibly look for 87 for target 3. All right, if you're bearish on this market, look for this to close right back below this 59 area. After it does that, look for targets down into 51, down into the 46 area, followed by 41 and 34 as we talked about. These might take another day. This might all be done in one day. You never know. But that would be the targets. Put them on, leave them on. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.